friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today in this video we will learn all about affiliate marketer. So this is the best opportunity to earn money online considering the digital marketing that's going on everywhere. So let me break this down. Anybody can become an affiliate marketer. If you are interested or ever wanted to become an affiliate marketer, then follow the few steps. So number one is the number one step is to search for the platform that offers affiliate program for you. There are popular platforms that are expert in the field that is we are already having. For example, Amazon, ClickBank, ShareScale, CJ Affiliate, Mnet, then Affiliate Network, Flex Offers, etc. So the list is very long. You just have to search for the legit platforms, and all I have mentioned are the legit one only. So these are some of the platforms that offer affiliate marketing, while there is also some countries where people keep asking whether the platforms are available or not. For example, in the country of Africa, you can also have Jumia, Gigi and Kunga, so on. So where you can sell the same products or the commission based products also. Then you can also search online for the other useful information on how to get started as an affiliate marketer, or you can keep watching this video so that you can understand how to do that. Now once you have chosen a program and platform to work with, the next step is to create a website or blog, that is an affiliate marketing website. Note that this is going to be your major hub where you will promote the products and services, drive traffic to it, and earn commissions from the affiliate sales. You should be able to tell people about your website or blog site so that you can promote your blog or website through the social media, either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. So this way you are going to get enough traffic to your blog site and you will start making money with the help of affiliate marketing. Third, if you are the type of that is very good in tutoring the people, then you can use your site as a platform for sharing the helpful tips and tricks related to the affiliate marketing and then building your online business, just like as I'm doing now, so that there are no two ways you can do it. Once you are done setting up your website or blog site, then next is to start looking for the products to promote it on your site. It is very simple as that. So if you are having like challenges on how to get the right products, then to promote, watch YouTube videos and learn more about it. But most importantly, I advise people to promote products that you know we consume on daily basis, the products worth selling it, which will get quick attention of people. Okay, don't just go and start promoting anything that you see. So sit down first and then think about it, what people will need on daily basis and or something more valuable to the human existence, and then promote it. Okay, because this is attention seeker, so that you can get it easily sold out. One thing should be clear with the affiliate marketing, that you can market anything being in digital product, okay, in a digital sense. Whatever it is that needed by the human being can be promoted in marketing. So in my opinion, like 3,000 per USD per month within 1 year is a very realistic goal for completing as a. So in my opinion, 3,000 USD per month within 1 year is very realistic goal for a complete beginner. So if you know exactly what to focus on every day, maybe your income goal is higher than that, but maybe you want to earn at least $10,000 per month. There is nothing wrong with that goal, but let's focus on hitting the 3K threshold per month for the as a first mark. Okay, so how do you know exactly what to focus on everyday basis? Let's do some math here. For example, calculate the number of sales you need to do as an affiliate marketer. Okay, let's say you are selling a membership site that pays you around $30 per month in recurring commission. Since it is a recurring commission, it means you need 100 sales over a 12 months period. So that is a very basic math, but let's be very conservative here. I'm not going to assume that some people will cancel their membership, some will keep it forever. So instead of 100 sales, you want to aim for 120 sales to account for the cancellation, which means you need to generate 10 sales per month. Okay. Step 2, calculate the amount of traffic or the visitors you need in order to generate a sale. You need to show your offer to enough people, that is traffic. The industry average conversion rate is like about only 1%. So which means for every 100 people who see your offer, only one of them will be buying it. Okay. And since you need 10 sales per month, you need like 1,000 people to see your offer each month, which is around 33 visitors per day. Step 3, determine the tasks you need to do on the daily basis to hit your traffic goal as a complete beginner. Okay. It is important that you focus on mastering one traffic strategy and not try to become jack of all the trades. Okay? So let's say you decided to choose the TikTok as your main traffic generation strategy. As mentioned above, you need like 33 visitors per day. Okay. So let's say each TikTok video you make gives you 15 to 20 visitors. This means you need to record like 2 videos a day to get 33 visitors. So now you know exactly what you need to focus on everyday basis in order to hit your income goal. Obviously, your number is going to be a different depending on the price of the product you are selling and the traffic strategy you decided to use, whether it is free or paid traffic. But the principle doesn't change here, it remains the same. You need to visit down to the calculation so that you know exactly what to focus on each day so that you can hit your income goal. But with that said, I do understand that as a complete beginner, you may not have a good sense of like numbers, but that's why if possible, try to get a coach who can walk you through the numbers on how to go with the social media platforms and how to start bringing the traffic to it. Okay, so in every digital business that we are going to do, like in this case we are focusing on the affiliate marketing, it is very important to understand that traffic generation is a very vital part of your strategy, because whoever will be visiting your website, or let's say your main hub where you are selling these products as an affiliate marketer, will be your genuine customers. So you need to focus more on bringing more and more traffic. Once you set up a one traffic strategy, you can go for the another and then another. Likewise, you need to